नमस्ते, हमेशा खुश रहो बिटिया। This is JVN Dr. Vishal Saxena, Associate Professor in Mathematics in Jayoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. Today I am going to discuss about the module AP, GP and HP. And these AP, GP and HP are known as arithmetic progression, geometric progression and harmonic progression. This module is a part of the course Elementary Mathematics and running in various courses of the university. First we understand what is meaning of arithmetic progression. The progression of the form a plus d, a plus 2d, a plus 3d and so on is known as an AP, means arithmetic progression, with first term a and the common difference d. So in this series we can understand here the difference of two consecutive terms remains always same, and that is d. Like the second term minus first term is d, third term minus second term is d, fourth term minus third term is d. So this d is called the common difference, and a means the first term is called the first term. In this AP, arithmetic progression, we have some formulas. Now we can see there. The first is nth term of this series. It is given by a plus n minus 1 into d. Second is sum to n terms, means sum of the n terms is given by n upon 2 multiplied by a plus l. So n by 2 into a plus l. A means the first term, l means the last term, and n is the total number of terms in the progression. Third is if ABC are in AP, then B is called the arithmetic mean between A and C. In this case 2b is equal to a plus c. Fourth point is a1, a2. If a, a1, a2, a3 and so on, an, the second last term is an and the last term is b, are in AP, means between a and b these are the n terms here, a1, a2, a3 and an, and this is arithmetic progression. So these n terms like here a1, a2, a3, a4 till an, these are called arithmetic means, n arithmetic means between a and b. Number 5 is it is convenient to take three numbers in AP. If we have to find the series in three terms of AP, then we should take here a minus d, a plus d. If we have to find a series in four terms, then we should take a minus 3d, a minus b, a plus d, and last is a plus 3d. Now next we take geometric progression, GP. The progression of the form a, ar square, ar cube and so on is called a GP, with first term a and the common ratio r. So what is GP here? In a GP, the ratio of any two consecutive terms remains always same. Means second term upon first term is r, third term upon second term is r, fourth term upon third term is r. So it means in GP the ratio of any two consecutive terms remains always same, and this ratio is called the common ratio r, and the first term is the a here. So in this series the nth term is given by Tn is equal to a r to the power n minus 1. Sum to n terms is given by a into 1 minus r to the power n minus 1 upon 1 minus r. It is a formula for the sum of n terms of the progression, where r is less than to 1, and if r is greater than to 1, then the formula for this sum is given by a multiplied by r to the power n minus 1 upon r to the power n minus 1 upon r minus 1. And this formula is applicable for the case when r is greater than to 1. So therefore there are two formulas to find the sum of the n terms. One is for r less than to 1 and one for r is greater than to 1. Third case, if ABC are in GP, then B is the geometric mean Gn between A and C, and the geometric mean B is called under root AB. The formula to find B, which is called geometric mean, is given by under root AB. Next is fourth point, if A, A1, A2, A3, and so on, AN, B, so this is a GP, then we say that A1, A2, A3, A4 and so on till AN are n geometric means between A and B. So these are the A1, A2, A3, AN, these are the n geometric means between A and B. And one more formula is for the sum of the infinite GP, means if a GP contains infinite terms, then the sum of infinite terms in a GP is given by A upon 1 minus R. And now we see what is harmonic progression. A harmonic progression is a sequence of real numbers formed by taking the reciprocals of an arithmetic progression. Equivalently, it is a sequence of real numbers such that any term in the sequence is the harmonic mean of the two neighbors. The sequence means if we have a arithmetic progression, then harmonic progression can be made by taking the reciprocal of the terms of the arithmetic progression, and the resulting series is called the harmonic progression. We can see example, the sequence 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is an arithmetic progression. Then the reciprocals like 1 upon 1, 1 by 2, 1 by 3, 1 by 4 and so on is called a harmonic progression. Now relationship between means of AP, GP and HP. If AN, GM and HM be the arithmetic, geometric and the harmonic means between A and B, then the following results hold. Means GN square is equal to AM into HM. GN square equal to AM into HM, where AN means arithmetic mean, HM means harmonic mean, and GN means the geometric mean. Now we take question number 1. Find the n terms for the AP. One AP is given that, and the question is here we have to find the n terms. So here in this series A is equal to 11 means the first term. The common difference D is equal to 17 minus 11 is 23 minus 17, or 17 minus 11 is here just 6. So 6 is the common difference D. So now we can find here the term. First we have to find the nth term formula. It is nth term is given by A plus n minus 1 into D. So A is 11 there and D is there 6. So just put the value of A and D in this formula and we will find 5 plus 6n as the nth term of the series. Now when we put n is equal to 1, so we will get the first term of the arithmetic progression, which is 11. If we put n equal to 2, then the second term is 5 plus 12 is equal to 17. If we put n equal to 3, then third term will be obtained as 23 and so on. Next is the question here. Find the sum of the series 32, 16, 8, 4 and then so on till infinity. So here first term is equal to 32 and the common ratio, because the given series is a GP, geometric progression, and like we can see 16 upon 32, 8 upon 16, 4 upon 8. So this is the common ratio, means that ratio of any two consecutive terms remains always same. We can see 16 upon 32 is 1 by 2, 8 upon 16 is 1 by 2, 4 upon 8 is 1 by 2. So this is the GP, and in this GP the first term A is equal to 32 and the common ratio R is equal to 16 upon 32 means 1 by 2, that is also called 0.5. So sum of infinite terms is equal to A upon 1 minus R. Put the value of A and R and we will get the answer as 64. This session is powered by Digital Version 2, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. I hope all you are satisfied with my digital session. If you have any query, please mention in the comment box. I will resolve your doubts and problems. With this I conclude my today's session. Thank you.